PB gang, I'm back, bro. I know it's been a while, you feel me? It's been about a week since I've done a video, I know. Just want to tell you guys before I even start the video, before I even touch bases on the topic of the video, that I appreciate everybody who's, you know, who support me, you know what I'm saying? Who's just waiting for videos, you know, got their notifications turned on, still waiting, still rocking with me. Not just, you know, since Probably Blasted, you know, he ain't dropping consistently like he usually do, so I'm gonna unsubscribe. Now y'all not doing that, y'all still sticking with me, y'all doing what y'all supposed to do, man. Staying solid and loyal to PB gang, to me. Y'all understanding my situation where I be busy like that. Like right now it's early, bro. Like, bro, what that say? 7:02, right? It's early in the morning. I'm right here filming this video for you guys. I'm trying to get out the way early because my days be crazy, bro. So I try to get stuff done early. I wake up early, you know what I'm saying? And I haven't even ate yet. I haven't brushed my teeth yet. That's the real shit. But anyways, man, this video gonna be something that's somebody been like, well, not somebody, like a lot of people been asking them. You know what I'm saying? I've been asking, like, how do I fix a weak side? How do I make it stronger? How do I bring it in? You know what I'm saying? So it could be reasons why. It could be like 2 or 3 reasons why your weak side taking longer to come in. I'm gonna explain to you guys why, what I feel like it is. Also, I'm gonna explain to you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I do, my angles for my weak side and how I'm fixing it, because it's definitely gotten better. I don't know if you guys been, you know, watching, but yes, these waves has gotten better, bro. My weak side gotten better. And yeah, man, it's gonna be lit. All right, so keep it locked. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And y'all wanna know how to fix your weak side, right? You wanna know how to break it in, right? It could be reasons why though. These are the reasons why I feel like your weak side ain't coming in. 1, you're not brushing it enough. You're not isolating that side. Okay, for example, if my left side is roping and my right side is not roping, it's only common sense to brush that side more to make it come in, right? Okay? But if you're brushing that side to make it come in, you gotta make sure you know the angles, the correct angles for that side. And you know what, that leads me to this. It could be number 2. That side is coming in, it's not coming in faster because it grows a different way from how you're trying to make it, you know, go in. For example, like with a swirl crown. Your crown naturally swirls that way, that's why it's easier for your crown to come in. If it's not swirled, and you're trying to beehive it, if you're not swirling and you're trying to beehive it, it's gonna take longer because you're forcing it to beehive. You know what I'm saying? You're forcing it to do what it naturally doesn't do. You feel me? So, for example, my right side, you know, if my right side ain't coming in like I want it to do, it's because I'm either lacking on it, it's growing a different way than what I'm supposed to brush. Well, I'm brushing it down this way and it's growing that way. So it's gonna take longer because you're forcing it to grow, to come in that way. You feel me? So it could be that. Also, it could be that you're cutting your sides too short. You know, your weak side too short. It haven't reached this curl length yet. So it's 3 things. You know, it's haven't reached this curl length yet. And I deal with that before. My right side tend to grow. I extend her, like on this side. So that's my problem is. So when I get a haircut, that's why I don't get short cuts like that, because it always ends up coming lower. My sides, period, always cut shorter than the rest. You know, I'm using the same guard on my whole head, but it's just your hair, everybody's hairs grow different. That's why it's very important to figure out and always be in the mirror so you can figure out your flaws and, you know, shit you need to work on. So that's what it is. So next, I'm gonna show you my weak side. Okay, this is my weak side, bro. This is my weak side. See that? My weak side is right there. So I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, right here, yes, major forks. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, they used to be worse than that, bro, but it's coming in now. You know what I'm saying? Hair health is there. The hair health is there for sure, but it's just all this right here, you know, so don't feel bad, man. You know, I'm a elite waiver, you know what I'm saying? I got a weak side, you feel me? So everybody, you know, got a weak side, so it's okay, you feel me? You just gotta put the work in, you know what I'm saying? And what you need though to do, basically, to make that weak side come in stronger, it'll dead all that. All them 3 things that I told you, it'll dead all that, okay? Put in the work, man. You comb, woof first, woof. And as you guys can see, I am woofing, yes. I am woofing, okay? You know, definitely woofing. Hope you can see that, all that. This is a different camera I'm using. I know I got multiple cameras. I just feel like pulling out this one, using this one. But anyways, yeah, so comb. You want to comb. You want to woof, you want to comb. You want to hard brush. Okay, this is a hard brush. You want a hard brush. You need 3 brushes. That's all you need really. A medium brush, you know, and a soft brush. Softy. Okay? So when you're combing, you're gonna comb exactly how you brush. Pretty much. Alright. So I don't know what type of pattern you're going for, but you know I got 360 waves, so you know my angle is gonna be different from 540 waves or stuff like that. But you guys can still watch my channel. Make sure you turn notifications on, so when I drop a video, you will not miss it. And you can watch it because I have, you know, my son that has 540 waves, so I'm gonna be doing more tutorials on his head too. Right now, bro, the Drip Brothers is killing, bro. I'm just telling you, bro. I've been putting in work, man. It's crazy though. I'm excited at how they, you know, how their progress is coming out. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so with my weak side, what I do is I comb every day when I'm woofing. Comb once a day. Okay, at least once a day. If you want to do it twice, you can. But like I'm just letting you know now, if you're woofing and you're combing, your hair is going to get lifted up. And as us being a coarse hair waiver, if your hair is lifting up, it's gonna be harder for it to lay back down. I'm just saying, bro, you got to put in that work. That's why it's good to use, right after the comb, use that hard brush. It's gonna help it lay down, you know. It's just a routine, everyday routine. The same shit, how you brush your teeth every day, you brush your hair every day. You feel me? You do the same methods every day to progress, you feel me? So, my right side, man, that's pretty much what I do. I just, see, you guys, look, I'm woofing, bro, by the way, look, check it out. Told y'all I'm woofing, man. Like, I ain't playing, I'm woofing. My shit just laid right now. Y'all know, man, I woof all the time. I haven't cut since that last little cut. You know what I'm saying? Hey, right now I got the yellow beezy going on. Check it out. Check it out. That's on me, baby. Yeah, you feel me? I got the yellow beezy. Anyways, man, y'all woofing. So anyways, okay. So with your weak side, you wanna comb it, alright? So this is how I comb my right side. You just want to hit the angles, pretty much. It's all angles, bro. That's all it is. You know? Follow the way you brush. Comb the same way. And that combing will break forks. Your weak side, the reason why I look weak is because you got a lot of forks. That's all it is. It's forks. You feel me? It's forks that's making your side look weak because it's not connected like your other sides. And it's not even the size though. It could be a weak side, could be your crown. Your weak side could be, you know, your left, your back of your head, the top, whatever. You know. But I told you the reasons why it could be that way. Your hair is going slow. You haven't reached the curl length yet. You're getting the cut too short when you get a haircut. Another one could be, like I said, you're not putting in that work on that head. You're not putting in the work. You're not brushing. You're not isolating that weak side like you should do. You know what I'm saying? You just keep brushing that strong side because it's looking good. You're like, woo, I want to keep making this look better, but you're not really putting in the work on your other side that's weak. You feel me? And what was 3? 3, oh yeah, it might be growing in a different direction that you're trying to make it come in. So like, for example, like I said again, if your left side, or I say your top is naturally grows this way, right? Your top naturally grows this way, and believe me, sometimes people tops grow. Everybody here grow differently, so it can be growing this way, right? But you combing it in a 360 pattern straight, and you brushing it that way. it's going to be stubborn. It's not going to want to come in because your hair don't naturally grow this way. It grows that way. So you have to put in more work on that area to bring that shit in. It's just simple. It's easy. It might be not that hard. It might be like kind of a little bit hard, but it ain't that hard, bro. Waving is fun, man. Just make it fun. If you don't want to get your sessions in, you're not going to be an elite waver. If you get your sessions in, you feel me? Make it fun by, you know, FaceTiming somebody, one of your homies or something, or, you know, get a session in with somebody. You know what I'm saying? One of your little chicks or whatnot, talk to her, you feel me? Brush your hair. You know what I mean? Or you can listen to music to make your sessions go by fast. Before you, believe it or not, you're gonna be like, damn, this session was nice, it went by fast. I'm like, now I've been brushing for an hour already. Yup. You won't know because you listen to your music, you're vibing, you're having fun. Don't make it so complicated, man. Have fun with this shit. That's what it's all about. Alright? So that's pretty much what it is, man. How you bring your weak side in, man. You just want a woof, you want a comb, and you want a hard, medium, soft brush. And like I said, it could be those three things, the reason why it's not coming in. But to make it come in, you already know what you gotta do, bro. All in all, just brush your damn hair, figure out the angles, brush in the mirror, and yet your sides will come in, guaranteed. Not just your sides, but you know your weak side. It'll come in, for sure. Don't make it so complicated. Have fun with this shit, man. That's what it's all about. That's what I do. You know? But y'all can see my progress is coming in. Y'all can see I'm woofing too heavy. Well, I'm not heavy, but I mean, it's looking, you know, it's woofing though. You know what I'm saying? Looking like that. You know? Also, you guys, you know, y'all can go against the grain and stuff too. So only for the people who hair is trained already. You can have a weak side of hair be trained. I got a weak side of my hair is trained. You know, you want to go against the grain like that. Your whole head. You know? Just like that. And then your whole head though, the whole all sides. And then you want to bring it back down like this. It's like confusing your hair. You know? It's good to confuse your hair. It's crazy though. You would think that confusing your hair would fuck up your waves, but it's not though. If your hair is trained. That's why I recommend you only do it when your hair is trained. I always been telling you guys that. The same shit. But yeah, that's my intake on how to fix your weak side. You know, how to bring that side in. You know what I'm saying? And it could be like multiple reasons why. But all in all, woof, comb, hard, medium, soft brush, you should be good. Alright, but with that being said, man, I'm done with this video. But like I said, I appreciate everybody who support me. You know, who support my Go Drip too. You know what I'm saying? I know it's going crazy in the streets. Y'all love it. Thank you, man. I put a lot of hard work into that, you know. So I appreciate everybody who's, you know, buying it, you know what I'm saying, supporting me, and just loving it, you know what I'm saying? Makes me feel real good. Makes me feel like it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? Make me feel like all the hard work that I've been doing is paying off. And that's good, you know? But like I said, I'm gonna try to drop more videos often, at least twice or 3 times a week. You know, I know I didn't drop one until last week. It's been a while, you know, but all I can say is thank you. Thank you all, man, for just still sticking with me and still watching my videos when I do drop it. If you're new tuning into the channel, make sure you hit that bell on the side right there so you will not miss out on none of my videos. That's called joining the notification gang. That's called joining the PB gang, pretty much. So you ain't missing out on no videos. When I drop it, boom, you'll see notification. Oh yeah, I'm watching it. You know what I'm saying? That type of shit. That way. But I love y'all, and you already know what it is next, man. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.